10th class. We are talking about chemistry in daily life, and now we will talk about common salt. As we know that seawater has 30 to 35% dissolved salt in seawater. Okay, the primary salt in seawater will be NaCl, which is known as a common salt. Seawater is collected in shallow dishes. You just collect the sea water in shallow dishes near seashore. Okay, why you are collecting this? To get NaCl. How we are getting NaCl? That we are studying here. If now the sea salt will get evaporated and leave behind raw salt, and the raw salt will remain behind. Okay, it contains many other salt plus NaCl plus sand. The raw material which is left behind will contain many other salt plus NaCl and sand. Sand will be in a small amount, not in a big amount. Okay, raw salt is purified and crystallized with potassium iodide for iodine. We know that iodine is an essential factor of any salt. Without iodine, if we are eating the salt, we will get the disease called goiter. To stop the disease like goiter, we are having salt with iodized salt we are having. Okay, so we are having salt with iodine. So raw salt is purified and crystallized with Ki, means potassium iodide for iodine. Is it clear? Now what is happening? NaCl is essential component. NaCl is essential component of our daily life. Without sodium chloride or without salt, we cannot survive. But to take NaCl, there is some restriction or some precaution. Suppose we are suffering from high blood pressure, so we have to take less amount of this common salt or NaCl. And if we are suffering from low blood pressure, then we have to take excess amount of this NaCl. So these are the disease which is caused only because of the common salt or NaCl. We just take it very easy, but it is not a easy thing, na? It is a big disease. If you have high blood pressure, you will get heart disease also. If you have low blood pressure, so you will be in so many problem, like your hemoglobin will get down. So many problem will occur during this one. Now we will talk about baking soda. Baking soda will be sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3 is known as baking soda. Here it is short note of baking soda, how we are preparing it and how we are. It is often used in the kitchen. We know that baking soda is often used in the kitchen for a spongy cake and bread. Cook food faster. Baking soda is also capable of cooking food faster. Suppose if we want to cook pulses and we are unable to cook it very faster, so we can add a small amount of baking soda. If we want to make baking soda, what we have to do? Sodium chloride is treated with water, CO2 and ammonia. Sodium chloride is treated with water, CO2 and ammonia, and we get sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3 plus ammonium chloride. Okay, you just write the name of each component below. Sodium chloride, then water, then carbon dioxide, then ammonia, then sodium bicarbonate, or you can write baking soda, and NH4Cl, that is ammonium chloride. Clear? Now we are coming into the next section. When we heated this sodium bicarbonate, it get decomposed. When sodium bicarbonate is heated, it get decomposed and form sodium carbonate. This is sodium bicarbonate. 2NaHCO3 is sodium bicarbonate. It is being heated and we are getting sodium carbonate, that is Na2CO3 plus H2O, it is water, plus CO2, it is carbon dioxide. It is clear now. So this reaction is a making of sodium bicarbonate, and this is indicating the decomposition of sodium bicarbonate. Okay, now just see use of sodium bicarbonate. Okay, use of sodium bicarbonate in making or baking, है ना. In making of baking powder we use sodium bicarbonate. Mixture of baking soda and tartaric acid. What is baking powder? Baking powder is mixture of baking soda and tartaric acid. Tartaric acid, from where you are getting tartaric acid? From where you are getting tartaric acid? That is your question. Make it at home and answer me. Okay. So what we are doing? This is sodium bicarbonate. This is water. We are taking only H positive ion of water here. Now it is totally decomposed. CO2 plus H2O and sodium salt of acid. Which acid? Tartaric acid. Sodium salt of tartaric acid left behind. Which causes, when we are using this sodium bicarbonate with water, it causes the evaporation of CO2 or the evolvement of CO2, which cause bread and cakes to rise, making them soft and spongy. So this is the CO2 which is responsible for softness of bread and cake, which we are obtained from the dissolution of sodium bicarbonate in water. Sodium bicarbonate is also used as an antacid. When we are eating so many oily food or so many salty food, we get acidic portion inside our stomach, which gives too much pain and inflammation. To stop that inflammation, we take antacid, which is sodium bicarbonate, in the form of ENO, in the form of gas soda, so many things. It is also used in fire extinguisher. If there is any fire anywhere, then we used sodium bicarbonate mixed with carbon tetrachloride as a fire extinguisher.